Thank you guys for tuning in today. I'm going to be giving you my car tour. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ciera Michelle. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? What's up, cousin? So today I just wanted to take you guys inside of my car and give you guys a car tour. And I wanted to give you guys a little backstory about my car. So let me show y'all the tour first. My Ford Fiesta 2017 edition. I know it's 2017 and I never got around to doing it last year, but I definitely wanted to. This is my Ford. These are my controls right here. I got that control, that control, that control. I'm not sure what any of these mean except like the temperature, and then my miles. I only have 14,000 miles on it. Pretty soon I'm going to be getting an oil change again. That's another thing about these newer cars. So with these newer cars, the good thing about it is like you don't have to get an oil change so often. It can be more spread out. I think I had my first oil change somewhere in like the beginning of the summer, and now it's the end of fall, so it's November. Maybe like four or 5 months ago, I believe I had my first oil change. So now I'm getting another oil change maybe like next month. So I'm not sure if you can see down there, but where my feet are, I actually have lights at the bottom of my car that actually light up in different colors, and right here I can control it and change it from different colors. Right now it's no color. Then I think that's blue, yellow or orange, red, blue, green, dark blue, purple, and yeah, those are the different colors I can change it to. I like changing it to this color or either the light blue, and that's a nice cool little feature that came with the car. I always have a spare like empty cup in one of my cup holders, because you never know what you might need it for. You might need to use the restroom, or you might need to like use it if you're sick. You never know. So right here I have a linen air freshener because I just love the smell of linen. If you go up here with me, there's nothing in my sun visor, nothing there. I do want to keep some type of like mace or some type of spray there so I can be like, you know, easy to get to. Now going down here in my little middle console, I got gum, but guess what? Hold on, it's really not gum. I got like spare change, I got a bullet in here, and I got my lashes in here. And I think like keeping $5 in your car is so like imperative, is important, because you never know what you might need it for. I'm actually drinking a little Gatorade with my lunch right now. Let's open this up. So inside my middle console, I got some tissue, because you never know what you might need this for. You might need to throw it into your purse, or you might need to fix the situation real quick. I got one of these for when my nose be oily. It be oily all the time, okay? So yeah, I got one of these because my nose always be like really oily. Really I just got a bunch of tissue in here. I got some peppermints. I got my Walgreens rewards card right here peeking out. I got 2 pair of shades, a bunch of pens, some lotion. This is like the Gold's Bond lotion. I got a $1 lotion in here as well. That's that. So in my glove compartment, I just have like important papers for my car. I have important receipts. I have gas receipts. Then I have a bag of candy. I took a little candy from my nephew for Halloween. I have a hat right there, so I can, you know, on my bummy days, I can just throw on a hat. It's raining outside, Lord. Can y'all see? It's raining outside. Who got time? Not me. That's why this hat comes in handy. So my back seat, I put this towel down just to keep like anyone from like staying in my car. My nephew used to like drink milk and have milk stains in the back of my car. So now that just stays down there. My floor is not the cleanest back here, but I did try to vacuum it. It didn't get all the way clean. As you can see, that like purplish light is on all over the bottom of my car. It's pretty cool. Side of my car is just a regular schmegular car, you know. I love my rims. I definitely need to get it washed, but I'm not into like taking care of my car like that. And it's raining, so I'm about to get back in my car. So I'm gonna tell y'all a quick little story about like, and this is kind of like a testimony too, because my old car was a PT Cruiser. It was red. It was my first really just car. The one before that I got from my uncle, and I only had it for like a few months. That car broke down, and like I lost all my money, you know, trying to get that car. I really just wanted a car. That car was already beat up. I forget what it was. I forget the make and model of that car, but you know, that was only a few months. I don't really count that as a car. My PT Cruiser really was my car. The problem with this PT Cruiser was, yeah, it had under 100,000 miles, but at any given point, that car used to just stop on me in the highway. Any point, like it used to be so dangerous and so scary. Maybe the car was $7,000 or less than that. I can't really remember. And I ended up paying like double of that. And I actually didn't finish paying it, so it was combined with my new car's um, overall payment of it, if that makes sense. Moral of the story is I upgraded from that PT Cruiser to a 2017 Ford Fiesta. Now I have a car that is running, it's working, it's new. I don't gotta worry about things breaking down on it. Thank you, God. I have a dealership that I can go to if my tires are low on air. I can't even complain. Like, yes, for a minute I was looking for a Ford Fusion because I was just like, I don't want this car, give me something else. But I'm just like, you know what, I thank God for this car. I'm not over here struggling to get to different places because my car breaking down. I just thank God for blessing me in little ways. This is my little car tour. I know it may be a little different than a lot of people's car tours, but I am filming this myself. It's raining outside right now, and I just wanted to give you guys some more content. I hope you guys like these type of videos. This is more of a me opening up to you guys and just letting y'all know the tea. Ain't nobody perfect, but I'm learning. I'm learning. And I'm gonna pass this like knowledge on to somebody else because I didn't know nothing about no cars. I didn't know nothing about car loans or anything before last year. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to watch my next suggested video by me. And oh, hit that subscribe button. See you at the next upload.